Heather here from the Sewing Loft, and I have a quick tip for you. Have you ever been sewing a project and suddenly broken a needle? It happens to all of us. The most important thing to do is to make sure that you get all of the little bits. I have a needle right now that has broken into actually 3 parts. One went flying in the air, which I was able to get off the floor before the dogs could get. One piece is on my fabric, still attached with the thread, and the other went down into the base of my machine. So I'm working on my jazz, and I want to show you how easy it is to take it apart and actually get all those pieces. It's really important that you take them out because you don't want to damage the bobbin basket or any of the mechanics of the machine. So I have the screwdriver that came with the machine, and I also have a pair of long pliers. And the first thing that we're going to do is you're going to remove the bed off of your machine. You can see I've already done that. And now it's time to remove the plate. And you're just going to simply take all of the screws off. I like to put them off to the side so that I don't lose them. Sometimes I just get it started with a screwdriver and then use my finger. Okay. And then your machine plate just pops off really easily. Okay. And now, I'm not sure if you can see this, but I can easily access the base and grab the piece of my needle out. So something like this is really simple, and it's just a really important tip for you to make sure that you don't leave any of these little pieces of metal in there while you're actually sewing. Since I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and give the inside of my machine a quick clean. You can see that I've got a little bit of dust built up, but I know that with one of my little pipe cleaner brushes, it'll be really easy. I'm going to give my machine a quick clean while I'm here, and then I'll put in a fresh needle and be straight on to my project. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip. For more, be sure to visit me at thesewingloft.com.